After I finished my wudu, I realized I didn't wipe my ears. Should I repeat the wudu or just wipe over my ears? So this question over here is related to doing masah of the ears, wiping over the ears. What is the ruling? Is it obligatory? Do we have to wipe over the ears? Or is it recommended? Is it sunnat? It's an issue of dispute among the scholars. Some scholars say no, it is mandatory and you must wipe over the ears. Because the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, al-udhunani min al-ra's, the ears are a part of the head. Therefore, just like wiping over the head is obligatory, is mandatory, similarly, wiping over the ears is also mandatory. However, the majority of the scholars, and this is the most authentic view of the scholars, they say that this hadith, al-udhunani min al-ra's, the ears are part of the head, they say this is not authentic. There is weakness in the chain. And therefore, the most authentic view of the scholars is that wiping over the ears, it's a sunnah and it is recommended. And therefore, if a person doesn't wipe over his ears during ablution, this will insha'Allah not affect the validity of his wudu or her wudu. Rather, insha'Allah, the wudu will be valid. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam wa ilmuhu ahkam.